In the last video we looked at Ollama, but there is another really good local AI tool called LM Studio. To use it, you've got to install some language models. Once you have those, you can select the language model from the drop-down list and then type your message and you can interact with the chat. To install language models, if you come down to the model search, you can search for the models over here and you can click on them, and then you just click the download button. The download will take however long it takes, for 6 GB or however big the model is. Once it's installed, you'll get a message and then it will be available to pick down here. Now, to use it with N8N Local, what you need to do is come down to this developer tab and you just need to enable the status there for the local server. So there it is stopped, there it is enabled, and now I can use any of the LM or the language models, the AI models that I've got installed in here within my N8N local install. And in here we want to create a new credential. And the type of credential you want to create is an OpenAI. So let's select OpenAI, continue, and then under the base URL we need to edit that. And you can completely delete that, and we're going to be using Docker, so it's http://host.docker.internal:123/v1. So it's very similar to the credentials we set up for Ollama. In the API key, you can put in pretty much anything. So I'm going to just put in LM Studio and then click on Save. And you can see connection tested successfully. So that has now been okayed. Let's pull up one of our automations. We'll pull up the joke one, which still has my Ollama, and we're going to instead use an AI, this AI from LM Studio. So we need to add the OpenAI chat. There it is at the top. And you can see there, OpenAI chat. Now, from the list, we don't have GPT-5 installed inside LM Studio. The one I have installed is this one, OpenAI GPT OSS 20 billion. Now you need to turn this off, turn that off completely, and then close that down. And now let's go to the AI agent and put in a prompt there. Tell me the funniest joke you know, nothing to do with atoms or scarecrows. So let's run it and see what happens. And I'm going to open up the logs. Move down to the OpenAI, and that worked really quickly. So human, tell me the funniest joke you know, nothing to do with atoms or scarecrows. Output, why do skeletons fight each other? They just don't have the guts for it. Let's try one other prompt. Let's say, can you write a poem about the bones in the human skeleton? And let's execute that workflow. Again, it's using the OpenAI chat model, which is linked to the server we've set up running on LM Studio. And here it is, workflow executed successfully, the silent archive. In quiet chambers of our form, a lattice of forgotten lore, the ribs that cradle heart and storm, the spine that bends yet never soar. Bones, the architects of night, cast shadows in the marrow's glow. Their silent rhythm, slow delight, whispers where the hidden winds blow. The femur, a sturdy pillar, tall, holds up our steps towards horizons new, while the ulna and radius call to dance with fingers light as dew. Cranial vaults guard thoughts untold, a fortress of neurons bright. Anyway, you get the idea. It's written that poem for me. This is quite a powerful model inside LM Studio, and you've got access to those models that you install in this tool. Okay, so that is another option besides Ollama, and depending on the LLM model that you install, I find that some of these are particularly quick. This one should be slow on my machine because my machine's not a supercomputer, but it is relatively quick, especially when we've got it running with N8N Local.